Chief Ekunife.
Isi Oma.
Adekwanamma. Nka Ibarozo. You came quite early. Is all well?
I'm very good. I can see you are doing very well.
By the grace of God, I am. Yes. Chief Ekunife. I was busy getting my plantain ready to take to Ore Market before you came. I don't know. If you don't have anything to say, I think I should go back to what I was doing.
My wife, since your husband died, my brother, Dikeh, oh, may God rest his soul. I haven't gotten time to check on you, to take care of you, to know how you're coping.
I am now married to Jesus. And as you can see, I'm doing fine. Very well.
I know. But as a human, there is problem Jesus cannot come down from heaven to solve. It is people like us on earth that can solve the problem, especially since you are one family.
Ekunife, I don't understand what you're saying.
Isoma, you feel sweet eating yourself in a dedicated part of your body. You need the right man to touch you in the right places. As you see. Even the Bible approves it. Once your husband is dead, so you won't be doing anything wrong.
Chief Ekunife. Chief, over my dead body, will any man see my nakedness? Look at me. You see this body? It is now the sanctuary of God. I am now the temple of the living God. So, in a setup, it's not for me. In short, Chief, you have overstayed your welcome. Nana, it's time for you to leave.
Isioma.
I'm not your kind. Puapo. Metikwambu. Puapo. Fia. Puapo. I've told you to accept Jesus as your personal Lord and Savior. Now, but Jesus, Nimen dogi kan dogi di ma. Arrow.
Look who came visiting. Jerry. To what do I owe this august visit?
Do not consider this a courtesy visit. I'm here to warn you. Stay away from my family.
Too late. Too late, Jerry.
I swear to my maker, if you don't stay away from my family, I will kill you.
How dare you? How dare you step your foot in this place to threaten me? For this, Jerry, I shall hasten my marriage to your father. You think it's the Ola you used to know, right? Do not dare me.
I don't threaten. I'm telling you the fact. Stay away from my family.
enwere ugegbe eji ekiri mmanwụ. Nwee nke eji egwu egwu. Don't try this again.
You're talking bullshit.
We
shall see.
Onye nwere mmadụ nwere ego.
Yes, that's best canvas you are cleaning.
Papa, it is Ben's canvas that I'm cleaning. And Ben is happen to be my brother. Is he not? So why are you saying that I'm cleaning Ben's canvas? It's not even my size and you are complaining. Papa, leave the canvas. I know what is my brother.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I know that you are capable of doing many bad things.
Papa, what are you thinking? All these things I'm doing is for everybody. I'm doing it for everybody in this family to enjoy. And you and Mama, your people are doing hanky-panky. I'm doing it for everybody to enjoy. See, let me tell you, Ben is my brother and he's rich. Now that he's here, let him help the family. What bad am I doing? You and Mama could not do it. I said, let me do it myself. See, let me tell you, God, the money that God is supposed to give me, he gave it to my brother. So my brother will give it to me. So I'm using my money. It's my money. Ben's money is my money. It's not Ben's money. But it's my money that God gave him to give to me.
Matthias, this is going too far. You control him like a baby.
Papa, because he's a baby. He's a baby to me. May and July, they are not the same. I senior him, like you said. I senior him. So he's a baby. So let me control it like a baby. Papa, let me tell you. My next plan is to go to that, you see that our land, by the second primary school. He is going to build a house there. That's the way I'm going to use to do my challenge.
Matthias. Matthias.
Papa, leave me alone.
Wepu aka enwe n'ofe ka ọ ghara ịwa aka mmadụ.
Papa, enwetinye aka n'ofe mtaya.
Wepu aka enwe n'ofe ka ọ ghara ịwa aka mmadụ.
Enwetinye aka n'ofe.
I'm not going to be part of this, so.
Don't be part of it.
Ben is also my son.
I don't know. I know.
Ben is also my son.
But you see this car, you will stop entering it.
I'm moving on.
Because he buying here, in an AC.
It's also my son. Ben is also my son.
Was I not the one that brought Ben back? He buy me in an AC. Let me yes, Rocky. Oluziana here, see more that I'm taking it too far. Let the monkey's hand enter the soup. I will eat it. Organize another monkey. Let the monkey put the hand in the soup. I will eat it. Let me eat it. Let me tell God gave my brother money to give to me. He is rich because of me. And God told me. So what is this? I'm doing it for all of you. And mama name is hanky-panky. It's a one night stand. One night stand that is standing the family now. Me, 10 night stand. I couldn't stand the family. What is this? You see me, fella. It's going to be the house for there. I will use it to do chalet. Also some nonsense. The shoe did not even enter me. Oh no, if he enter me, what am I still doing here? But the 1 kilometer. When you see the fish the shoe, it's not my size. Ben, let me tell you, go to shoe. In fact, let me leave this in. Ben, by the time I'm done with you, your name will turn Benji.
Why are you standing outside?
Your Majesty.
You're supposed to come inside.
I choose to stay here, Your Majesty.
Come on. Next time, you go inside, okay?
Thank you, Your Majesty.
All right. Yeah, this is the money. Use that to take care of preparations at your end, okay? If you need anything more, don't hesitate to call on me, okay?
Thank you, Your Majesty.
As for my side, I am already taking care of things.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I am going to do exactly as you say.
When I get to him, I'm going to have a meeting with my kinsmen.
Oh, that would be fantastic.
Your Majesty, I think I should take my leave now.
No, my in-law. You can't just go like that. Huh? Let's go inside and have some drinks.
Your Majesty, don't bother.
No, you are my in-law. You can't just come and go like that. Let's go inside, please.
Your Majesty, I'm flattered. After all, it's a privilege to drink with a royal majesty like you.
Good.
I see it as an honor.
That is why I am insisting. You know, there's a proverb that if a child washes his hands clean, he dines with elders. Okay? Come with me.
Your Majesty.
You know your daughter is very beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you very
much. Jerry.
How
Come. Let me introduce you to our guest. Jerry. Let me introduce you to our guest. Jerry, this is Mocha, my in-law to be.
Yes.
And Mocha, this is my son, Jerry, Omekanaya.
Yeah. How are you, my son? I've heard so many things about you.
I'm just coming from your house. You and your gullible daughter should stay away from my family. Stay away from my family.
Jerry.
Dad, allow me to talk to this man. You don't know these people. I know them too well. Stay away from my family. I won't warn you again. I will not warn you again.
Jerry, will you keep quiet this minute? Shut up. What is it?
You don't know them. You don't know them.
Mocha, please. I'm sorry. I have to apologize on behalf of my son. You know, please, forgive me. Please.
Your Majesty, you don't need to worry. I understand totally.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Igwe,
Yeah.
I have to take my leave now.
Is it because of what just transpired?
Igwe.
I was able to drive my message home.
Jerry.
Oh. I just want to rest. I had a very hectic day. Please.
We need to talk. As if you have time.
Talk about what?
Jerry, we cannot just sit and let that get married to that priestess. It doesn't make sense.
Let me tell you guys something you don't know. I know this person too well. I mean, more than everyone in this house. Ola and I attended the same university. And for 3 years and a half, while in school, she was doing everything possible to get close to me. But I turned her down. She was so obsessed with me.
Whoa. Jerry, is Dad aware about this?
Can't be aware. Obviously, she has bewitched him. Dad thinks of nothing these days other than getting married to her. She's bent on destroying this family. I bet that's why she's here.
Goodness. This is not good at all. We need to speak to Dad. I'm certain he'll have a rethink.
It's beginning to make sense to me right now. Allah could be responsible for what happens to you. Because tell me why she would turn down money in place of getting married to Dad. That's because she has a motive.
Jerry, you just might be saying the truth.
How come the hospital abroad couldn't detect what was wrong? Like they couldn't detect anything?
I'm getting scared. This whole thing is getting me so scared. I'm frightened. I need to speak to Dad about this.
You like it? You like this one?
I love it. I love all of them. Oh.
Matthias, my
brother. I love all of them.
You like the joggers?
Why not? I said I love it. Yeah? You see why I said that God bless you because of me?
Oh, yeah.
If not me, God will not bless you. Yes, God will know why He left blessing me and bless you because of my sake.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, the money you have now is my money. Yes, the money God gave you is my money. God will give you my money. So what I'm doing now,
what are you saying now?
What I'm eating now is not your money, it's my money that you are keeping for me. Yes, so I love all of them. I'm taking all of them.
Matthias, you're very funny.
Yes.
Okay.
One thing you will do now is I want them shoe. So I need a matching color shoe. So you need to go and buy shoe for me. The ones you have, I tried to use them the other day. It did not match my leg.
It's not size you.
It's bigger than my leg. You know, you're taller than me. So I want you to go and buy shoe for me. You know, my traditional marriage is tomorrow. So no time to wait. Don't spoil my marriage. No.
No problem. Don't worry, I will do just that, okay?
I don't do just that. Your senior brother is talking to you. You have to start going.
Okay.
No
problem. Just arrange everything, eh?
What else I can shoe size? What else I can measure? You have to make mistake. Oh, this one, why next size 3? 43. 43, yes. But boss, you can see. It's good to bring my brother back. What I'm not saying one minute.
Ah, my princess. My princess. What is it with this look?
Daddy, please. Do not go ahead with the marriage to that lady. Don't do it.
My princess. Is that why you are carrying your face like this? Huh? Okay, tell me. Why shouldn't I?
Daddy, there is something about this lady. I just cannot place my hand on it. Everything about her is wrong.
Really? My princess, I can understand you completely. But let me assure you, nobody will ever take your place in my heart. Okay? You are loved already.
Daddy.
Wait, have you been discussing with Jerry lately?
Daddy, keep Jerry out of this. Dad, I am begging you in the name of God. Do not get married to that lady. Any other woman is fine. You will have my 100% support. But not that demon of a woman, please.
Why? Is it because she's a priestess? I mean, what is wrong with that?
Daddy, everything about her is wrong. Can't you see it?
My princess, I'm afraid my mind is made up. I can't back out from this anymore.
Daddy, please. I'm begging you.
My princess, I can't. I must go ahead with the plans to marry her. I'm sorry.
Hola, I have never been humiliated all my life before. That boy look at me more and talk down on me. Imagine.
Jerry. Jerry. Papa, the battle line has been drawn. Leave this fight for me. Let me handle Jerry, Papa.
All of that boy there look at me, Moka. Jerry, I will let Jerry know. Unga make one manana. Ukole tuli tulu wala kodo. Eh? Ikukuku ubruya kodo. We shall see.
Hello.
Hello.
You're welcome.
Yes, you can see. How are you? So, what brought you to my palace?
I have something confidential to discuss with you.
Oh, my wife? Oh, come on. She's my wife, and so she's entitled to partake in any discussion that takes place in the palace.
We are not disputing the fact that she is your wife. But I have something confidential, very important, to discuss with you.
Oh.
I go nowhere. He's my husband, and I have every right to remain wherever he is.
It is crystal clear that you don't have anything important to discuss. So in that case, I will crave your indulgence to excuse us. We're actually doing something inside before you came. Let's do that.
You will.
The palace is in trouble, confession. Everywhere. The palace is in trouble, confession. Everywhere. The palace is in trouble. Every day, the palace is in trouble.
Now, chalo. It's good as you are cleaning the car.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good afternoon. He's my younger brother. Don't overdo your husband. When I tell you to greet, you greet. Also, good afternoon.
Sorry.
Now, there's an emergency. I'm going to my in-laws now. Me and my wife, we are going to see her parents because since after the marriage, you have not seen them. Okay. So that is where we are going to now. And they are going to, I've been needing some money from you. I cannot go to my in-laws and my mother-in-law will be dancing. Oh, Gama Bella. And after everything, I will not give her money. Not possible.
Oh, yes.
So,
how much are we talking about?
Let's not give them much. Like 100,000. As I go now. Why do you know what it is? You look at my wife, beautiful woman.
100,000.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I don't have much on me now. I've spent a lot. But actually, I'm expecting money from my friend from Ghana.
No, but when you go from Ghana, before he will get from Ghana to this place, in-laws will be waiting for me. They already know I'm coming. I'm 50,000. I'm going to near my father-in-law 20. Eh?
Okay, don't worry, I'll send it to you.
Come on, I need it. No. Start making. Even the car. Let me. The key is here. I'm carrying the car. I'm going with it. So start doing the transfer.
My phone is inside.
Go, Jason. Also. Also, my phone on room. Phone doesn't room. Can you Baba?
Calm down now. Babe, calm down.
Stop,
it's okay. Calm down.
Girl, calm down, Kenny.
Why are you talking to him?
Anybody you see you greet without your husband telling you to greet.
It's not your
Don't
brother.
do it.
It's not your brother.
I don't have family. I'm his elder brother. Buy more to Kaipo.
You have to take it easy on him.
Fast. Get in now. Come and do this thing. They are checking on with the Sambato. You don't have to yeah? Come to the phone.
It's okay.
Get check and go there home. Get here. I want to talk my lad. Give me my phone. 50,000 kina guzo genina. This is 100,000.
This is getting out of hand. I can no longer allow Matthias do whatever you want with Ben.
Peter.
Yes.
Peter.
Yes.
Peter.
Yes.
I don't want to get involved between you and their sons. Leave me out of this. Please.
But they are your sons. They are your sons too.
Really?
Yes.
When you were having an affair with my friend this summer, was I there? Peter. Leave me alone, please.
But that was in the past.
For you. For me, it is not. If not that she confessed, we wouldn't have told anybody. Also now, up and down. Who knows how many children you have deposited in other families? Who knows? Keziah.
No, yeah, you don't talk to me like that. You don't talk to me like that. Anyway, it's a waste of time trying to reason with you.
Then let me be. Let me be. Foolish man, useless man. He goat. Nonsense. Continue. Are you tired?
I actually like this one you wanted it from me.
You know now.
It befits my status.
Anything for you.
Daddy.
Yes.
I want us to talk.
Okay. That's fine. Have your seat.
Privately, please.
Oh, come on, my princess. All I hear is my wife. So, you can say whatever you want to say, right?
Daddy, I want to return to the UK. There's nothing here for me anymore.
Okay. If that is what you want, I don't have any problem with it. So, just let me know when you're ready and I'll make all the necessary arrangements for you to travel.
Next weekend, I'll leave.
I'm afraid, young lady, you go nowhere. You are the princess of this kingdom. This is your village and your palace. You go nowhere.
Who are you to tell me my place in this palace? What rights do you have to tell me what to do and what not to do? Daddy, speak to this woman you brought into this house. Stay away from me. I will advise you to respect your boundary.
You are my business and this entire palace is my business. You are going nowhere and that is final.
Well, my princess, Ola is right, okay? She's your stepmother, so she has every right to decide for you.
Daddy, tell her to mind her business. Mind your business. Stay away from me.
My business is you and everything that concerns this palace. You go nowhere and that is final.
Dad, are you just going to sit, watch all of this and say nothing?
Of course he wouldn't say anything because he has nothing to say. My words hold power around here.
Well, my princess, she's right, you know. You are a princess of this kingdom. You belong here. Okay? So I suggest you look inwards and find something interesting to do in this kingdom. Okay? Okay?
Daddy, is this you speaking?
Of course. Of course. She's still a baby. She doesn't understand.
Can you imagine? Why would she speak to me in that tone?
She's a baby. Don't mind her.
And you watch her?
Hey, how are you, Mama?
Good afternoon, ma.
I thought it's my son, Ben.
No, it cannot be your son, it's me, his elder brother. I'm the one in control of things now.
How is Ben, my son? Is he alright? I've not seen him for a long time now.
He's fine now. Ben is no longer your son now. Huh? He's my brother now, he's my younger brother. Huh? I'm the one in charge of things now. Yes. So don't worry, he's fine. My wife and I, we are going to my mother-in-law to see my mother-in-law. You know I'm married now, Ben is not married. So I want to go and see my mother-in-law. Can I name Jesus? Greet Jesus for me. Tell him that I'm married.
Hi.
Mama. Yeah.
Mama, you saw you are seated like this. Are you okay?
I saw your brother's car today. When I moved closer, I thought he was the one driving, but lo and behold, it was Matthias and his wife in the car. Yes. This confirms all I've been hearing. It's true.
Mama, I told you that I heard from a reliable source. That Matthias and his family now drives by a car. Up and down. Wearing his clothes, expensive clothes and all that. My brother goes round the whole village wearing worn-out clothes and barefooted. What's the meaning of this?
I can assure you that Ben is not in his right senses. And come to think of it, since he went over to that house, he abandoned his business in Ghana. You think it's right? No, it is not right. And I think it is time I do something about it. I am his mother.
Yes, sir.
I am not dead yet.
I pity Brother Ben. Because the last time I saw him, I wept inside of me. I even tried to talk to him back to the house, but he refused. Mama, this is the time for you to fight for your son. Since you said he's not acting with his senses, this is the time for you to fight.
Trust. Yes, I will fight for my son. This must stop. Things have to change.
My princess, the kitchen door is locked.
What?
I don't understand. Kitchen door is locked.
Yes.
Why?
Anna, do you have an idea of who and why it's locked?
It's the queen. She locked it after she asked me to prepare food for her and the Igwe.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Why?
And what's that supposed to mean? The kitchen is locked.
Please, hey, you have to calm down. I don't understand. Why would she lock the kitchen door? Please, I don't want you to fall for her tricks. Please.
I don't know.
Why?
She's probably doing everything. Wait, it's okay. She wants to do. I don't like all this. I don't like all this. She wants to do everything to please you. You just have to calm down, please. I don't want you to fall for her games. Please, darling, calm down. This is so annoying. Here you are, Ola. I was actually looking for you. What was that? Ola, why did you lock the kitchen door and took the keys away? Why would you do that?
Wow. She called me Ola. Wow. My kitchen door, you mean?
Our kitchen. Ola, that kitchen has never been locked. Not for once. So what is this?
There's a new authority now. And I want you all to get used to it. It's no more business as usual. I call the shots now. And whatever I say stands.
You're a crazy person. I mean, you are mad. To think that you can impose your stupid self on all of us. You're crazy.
She called me names. Ugochi, you're calling me names.
You're worse than a crazy person. You're evil. Your mind is so dark. Your behavior do not befit this palace. We do not have crazy people like you here. You belong to the scum for where my father picked you up from. Don't you ever in your entire life try this again. You scumbag.
Somebody help! Somebody help! Help! My princess! My princess, please,
My princess, what is it?
What happened to her?
I don't know. I just came in and saw her like this.
Go and call Ola. Quick, go and call Ola, eh?
Okay.
She'll be able to cure this.
Okay.
What can Ola do for her? That witch can't do nothing. All she needs is to be taken to hospital. Let's take her to the hospital. That's the best thing to do.
Don't ever talk about my wife in that manner again.
Your wife?
Yes, my wife. Where is she? Anna!
Babe, we have to leave this palace as soon as possible. I don't care if you are the crown prince or not. We just have to leave this palace. I care so much about you. See what happened earlier today. That woman, she's so mean. You can imagine Ugochi confronted her earlier today. And see what happened a few minutes later. I cannot stay here. I don't want to lose my life. I don't want you to lose your life. We have to leave immediately, right now. Please.
I can't leave my father's land because of that witch.
Look, I can't afford to lose you. I'm not saying you should leave your father's house. Your father has so many houses and we can stay there. All I want us to do is to leave this palace as soon as possible, please. I can't stay here anymore. We have to leave immediately.
How come I never thought of that?
Look. Babe, we just have to go. I don't want us losing our lives, please.
Let me check on Ugochi. I'm coming.
God, what kind of problem is this? I am so devastated right now. I don't even know what to do. Oh, God.
My love, you know I love you so much. The way I love you, that is the way I love my daughter. I bet yours is more. Please, I know you possess the powers to cure my daughter, our daughter. Please forgive her. Don't let her die. Okay? Please.
She must apologize to me.
Of course. She has to. But let me apologize on her behalf.
No! She must do it herself.
Okay. I can guarantee you she will apologize. Please, don't let her die. Cure her for us. For us. She's your daughter also. Please. You'll be fine, my princess, okay? I will not let anything happen to you.
Leave us alone. You wouldn't even take my coming here to take away your life if I wanted you. I'm going to spare your life this time. But next time, you might not be this lucky. At least now you know I have your life in my hands. I can either crush it or even throw it away. Be warned.
Tell me what is your annoyance. There is anger in your eyes. There is bitterness in your heart. There is anger in your eyes. I can see bitterness in your heart. Only the because anger in your eyes. Every nakira because bitterness in your heart. I can see unforgiving spirit anger in your eyes. I can see bitterness in your heart. I can see anger in your eyes. I can see bitterness in your heart. I can sense revenge, anger in your eyes. I can see more bitterness in your heart. Here comes our priestess. She is filled with power. She can see the spirit. She can see the sea. She is the eyes of the gods.
Benjamin, it's good you are back.
Any problem?
No, there's no problem now. But there may be problem if things did not go the way they're supposed to. Problem we can adapt. But as for now, as we are talking, I won't be a problem then. What of the money you said you are expecting?
Oh yes, I'm just coming back from the bank now. It hasn't reflected, but definitely it will.
All right. And surely it must come. Because I'll be around so word. Take a look at this. Look at the list, it does not bite. It's just a list.
Brother, what is the list all about?
Well, that is the list of the business I want to start for my wife. I want to venture into provision store. All the goods and services that I need to go to Onitsha and buy and stock the shop. I did not add money for grinding machine. That is 35,000. But I will add that one later. So, okay,
I've heard you. I will think about it. I need to rest. I'm just coming from outside.
Hey, Benjamin, what is this thing now? You will think about what? Common 700,000 naira. If I add the money for grinding machine, it will be 735,000. Can I let you think? You have the money. Go out there, bring this money and give me. Let me start business for my wife. Organize. Let me think.
Brother Matthias, I just said let me think about it. I'm just coming back now. Allow me to rest now. Is it too bad?
You need to rest.
Yeah, I need to rest.
Benjamin, give me Benjamin, come back here. Benjamin, come back here. Chekweo, Benjamin is now working out on me. What is happening? Hope all is well. Benjamin. It's all right, Bachelor. We shall see.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry.
Is that the way to apologize? Huh? Do it properly.
I apologize for my reactions towards you. It will not happen again. And I'm sorry.
Well, my Lolo, my beautiful wife, please forgive her, you know. I mean, she has apologized and I guarantee you she will not try it again. Just show her mercy.
Mercy granted. That's if she makes the apology anyway.
Of course she does. Thank you.
You can leave.
Thank you.
Come here. I know you've actually longed for this.
Really? How did you know?
Let's say I read your mind too.
You read my mind?
My king.
So wise one. So you are assuring me that this thing you want to do for me now will work the way the one Allah gave me worked magically. The thing worked so much.
Yeah. Let me tell you, as long as you follow my instructions diligently, it must surely work. Yes.
Yeah, so you mean that he will not argue with me again or even raise his voice if I'm talking?
He will never raise his voice at you again. You yourself will come back here to come and testify of the efficacy of the charm. Just do as I instructed.
So the money that I want to ask him, I'm asking him about my wife's business, so he will give it to me.
He must get it. Yes, sir. Whatever you want is what he will do.
Good. Ben. And Ben here will come.
Hello. Who are you? And what are you doing in my office?
Oh, well, I'm Mr. Zuka, the new...
The new what? Are you mad? Come, who is this? Huh?
We were instructed by your father that he replaces you, sir.
Replaces me?
Exactly, sir.
Come.
Listen, your father instructed me specifically to invite the police if you refuse to leave.
My father can't tell you that.
He did. And if you have any problem with that, I suggest you talk to your father and sort it out with him.
Sorry, sir.
You can go back to your duty post.
Is that you?
Yeah, this is...
How is your father?
He's fine. How are you?
You thank God.
Wow, good to see you.
Happy to see you too.
Yeah. I can see you are already on your way out.
Yes, I was on my way out, but don't worry. Please come in. Eh? Come in, let me open it. Hey, please sit down. Sit down. Hey. It's been ages.
Yeah.
No.
So the Lord instructed me to come back to this village and do his work.
Oh, thank God for you, my dear. Hi. If only other youths will embrace the Lord the way you did. how good everywhere will be. Thank God for you.
Yeah, our God is a wonderful God. Yes. How is Ifanye and his brother Benjamin?
They are fine. They are fine.
I am not sure Benjamin is fine. Benjamin is being manipulated by the enemies.
Hey! I said it. Cynthia! Cynthia! Where is this girl?
Mama!
I said it.
Mama?
Come on. Do you remember him? Look at him. Anayo.
Oh, Brother Ifeanyi's childhood friend.
Yeah.
He just confirmed my suspicion. He said Benjamin is being manipulated.
By the enemies.
Hey! I said it, Mama. Now. I said
Holy
it.
Spirit,
hey! Jesus!
Be my comforter.
Jesus!
Holy
I said
Spirit.
it. Hey! Jesus!
Power, there is power, there is power in the blood. There is power, there is power, there is power, there is power, there is power in the blood.
Hey, let us pray for it.
Oh my God, my king.
You can trust me.
Dad.
Yes.
Can you tell me why I got replaced in the office without my consent? I just made a fool of myself out there. Do I deserve this?
Your father has no hand in this. It was entirely my idea and my plan. And my plan is to lay off unproductive staff who do nothing. I can't possibly be paying salaries to dummies. Hell no.
Do you know about this, Father?
Like I said, your father has nothing to do with this. So if you want to speak, speak to me, your mom.
You will pay for this. I promise.
So, as we were saying, yes.
Frank! What happened? You came back early. Did you forget anything?
I got replaced.
What do you mean you got replaced? By who? Your father owns the office. So I don't understand what you're talking about.
That devil. She's the one behind this. My greatest anger is that my dad is doing nothing about this. She practically controls everything. Hello. Have you checked what I asked you to check? What do you mean I can't have access to my account? How? What? No, that's not possible. Oh, jeez. Then... Even the headquarters confirmed. Oh my God. Oh, what's this? What's this? I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Shit.
What is it?
Shit.
Babe, talk to me, please.
My account has been frozen.
What? No. No, what's all this right now? Like, what's going on?
My both accounts.
What? No. What's actually going on right now? God.
Wait. Is that not my jeans?
Yes, they are dirty. I decided to wash
Which is dirty? Is this not the jeans I came back with? No.
I know. You're my husband, so I decided to wash them because they are dirty.
Hey! Did I beg you? Did I beg you to wash for me?
I don't understand.
Hey!
What happened? I decided to wash the clothes. Why are you angry? What happened?
Hey!
What are you saying? They are dirty. So
dirty, Guinea. Before you wash a jean, you check what?
There is nothing inside.
Hey! You have finished me. You have finished me. What's wrong? Pico, is there anything that this charm forbids? Let me know, Noge.
Nothing at all, except water. This charm must not be touched by water. Talk less of being splashed by water. If water touches it, you will run mad. Yes, you will run mad. Your own brain will be affected. Yes.
Well, anyway, no problem. I can handle it. There's no rainy season. No. Just I'm not careful. I don't like you go. That's why I don't like juju. Because I'm always careless. When you get out before you do mistake, is there not anything you can do? If I do mistake.
This charm must not be touched by water. If water touches it, I'm afraid you will go mad. Yes. You will go mad.
Don't worry, I will know. I will know what I can do. Just that I'm careless. I don't do. Oh God. It's alright, I'm going with you.
Oh yeah, no. What you go now?
No.
Why are you shouting?
Why will you do this thing now? Before you wash a jean, you check if there's something inside. Do you know what you have spoiled for me now? You have killed me.
Matthias! What are you holding?
Hey!
What is that what is spoiling for you, Matthias? Huh?
Mama, what's going on? Why is this shouting?
I knew you were going to be his dream. I knew it. I'm not surprised.
You knew what, Mama?
I knew it. I
don't understand. What are you talking about? What is he talking about?
What's he talking about? Matthias, come back here!
Mama, I don't understand. My love!
Oh my God.
My man. Nice to see you.
Yeah. I want us to talk. Let's go to somewhere and talk.
Hope all is well.
All is not well. Let's just go to somewhere.
You don't look bright. Let's go. What's the problem? It's well.
Benjamin, you don't look okay.
What happened? How did I get here?
What is it?
It's your son.
What about?
I saw him roaming mad at the market square.
What?
What did you say my husband is?
I saw him naked. He was roaming mad at the market square.
Chime! My enemies is at work. Hey! Please take me to him. Take me to him. Help! My love! Hey!
I want my monthly allowance. I placed the call to the accountant and he referred me back to you. I would like to know why.
Well, it's just that things have changed. Okay? So I suggest you talk to your mother because she's now in charge of finances.
Daddy, I don't understand what you're saying. I am not asking for any other thing. I'm only asking for my allowance. Over the years, I never had to remind anyone before I get it. So what is this?
Well, nobody is saying that it's not your entitlement. You are entitled to it. You know, but like I said, things have changed. Your mother is now in charge. So I advise you talk to her because as it is right now, there's really nothing I can do about it.
Do about what? And what are you two discussing behind me?
Sweetheart, I was just trying to make some clarifications to her. I was educating her that you are now in charge of finances.
Clarifications? What exactly do you want?
I was... It's nothing. I'm fine. I will just go to my room.
Good for you. Darling,
yes,
I have a meeting with the village market woman.
Oh, that's great.
And hope you don't mind I go in your Mercedes.
Of course, you know I cannot refuse you anything, okay? So,
I know that. Do well to let the driver know.
Oh, come on, you don't need my permission. Just talk to him. Eh? Take care of yourself.
Bye.
I'm watching and you're watch. Score that ball.
That girl is bent on destroying everything my family worked for.
Serious?
As I speak to you now, she has turned my father to her personal toy. My father does everything she says without questioning.
This is serious.
We need to stop her as soon as possible.
Well, Jerry, I would do anything possible to stop that witch because of old time's sake.
Thank you.
Anything possible to stop her.
I don't want will. I want us to start immediately. Immediately.
Alright. Everybody's not born with a golden spoon just like you. This is the only way I've been surviving since we graduated back in school. Consider it done.
Okay, secondly, I want you to tell your boys to do a clean job. No traces.
My boys are well trained in this. You have nothing to worry about. We work for influential people, businessmen, women, name them. We know how to cover our tracks. You have nothing to worry about. Just consider it done.
Okay. Alright. I'll hold on to that then.
Alright.
I'll effect the logistics. Okay.
Papa. Papa, it's me. Papa, oh.
Hey,
Papa, good to see you.
This is
Papa
wonderful.
Nenogi, it's your daughter.
Look at
the latest queen in town.
I am telling you. Hey.
Papa, what have you been eating?
Nothing except
You're growing bigger.
Except cassava, fufu, gari.
Hey.
Papa, royal in-law. Royal in-law. There is no need asking you if we are doing well or not because I can see it in your body. You're okay.
Oh, Chuku.
You're okay.
Oh, Chuku, Papa.
Yeah.
Papa, do you like this car?
Like it what? I've never owned a car before in my life.
Just Learia the motor.
I like it now.
Learia, keep the question like.
Oh, Kura Zoro Mommy, no, Kreke, no.
Do you like it?
Only the woman I like it now.
Okay.
Hey.
Papa,
yes, sir.
This car is yours. Papa, I know, and I know you cannot drive, Papa. This man inside is going to be your driver. He will take you wherever you want. Don't worry about the money. I'm going to pay him.
My daughter have made me with the driver.
He manages your bag. And Papa is not all.
Yes, sir.
I want to go and see our lands because I want to start building an estate.
Building what? Estate.
Estate.
That is going to cost a lot of money now.
Papa, money is not a problem. There is so much money from where this came from. Hey, your daughter is now a rich woman.
Hey.
Rich. Papa. Don't be a kind of a good man. Papa, let me open the car.
Hey!
Baby, come inside. Let's go and eat.
Give me my money. Give me my money.
You need to eat. You've not eaten anything since morning.
Let him give me my money. Let him give me money. God gave him money to give me.
Stand down.
He's owing my money.
It's okay. Let's go inside and eat.
Benjamin.
Oh my God.
You've
not eaten anything since
give me my money.
morning.
Tell him shut your mouth. I want you. See what you have done to yourself because of greed. Tell him. Benji, give me my money.
Okay,
Benjamin, where are you going to?
I'm going back to my father's house.
No, this is your father's house.
I'm sorry, this is not my father's house. Listen, that you donated a sperm to form a child does not make you my father. There's a man that nurtured me, taught me how to ride bicycle, taught me how to climb a tree.
Give me my money.
Brought out his time to take care of me. He's my real father. And I'm going back to my father's house.
Please, Benji, come back.
Benji,
This is
please.
your house. Please.
Benji,
give me my money.
Please forgive me.
I'm sorry, I'm not
Come back.
Benjamin.
Your brother is
Benjamin, please.
I don't belong here, please.
Benjamin, please. I beg you, please forgive me.
Benji, give me my money.
Benjamin, please forgive me.
Give me my money.
Papa,
Benji, give me my money.
Benjamin, please.
Benji, give me my money. Benjamin.
Papa, please stop him. Stop him.
Benjamin, come back. Come back. This is your father's house. Only child left. You are my son. Please come back. Come back, please. Come back. Come back.
Babe, you seem to be expecting a call. What's troubling you? Sweetheart, talk to me. What is the matter?
Am I not supposed to be troubled? My account is frozen. No monthly allowance. Nothing. Am I not supposed to be? Oh, shit.
You just have to calm down, please.
Can you keep that your sermon? Saving me nothing. Just have to take the bull by the horn.
Babe. God.
Papa, this place suits perfectly. It's exactly what I want.
I'm happy you
for
like
the
it.
estate.
As you can see now, all the way down to the greasy tree towards the river is our own land. If I'm not mistaken, it is complete 10 acres. You can accommodate whatever you want to build in it.
Exactly how big I want it.
Mhm.
You know what, Papa?
Yes.
I would have to contact my surveyor so they give me an estimated bill
Wonderful.
of what it will cost to enact a very huge, gigantic estate here. But, Papa, I don't like this building here.
This little one there.
Because the estate I'm going to build there is a massive one.
Like
I don't need small... I don't need small buildings like Makege Buka. You know, you don't understand that your daughter has big money. Papa, you have to contact these people. I don't want to see them. Pay them twice any amount they want to pay them. Kakuli see all this things. I want
Consider it done. Of course, I will contact them. Are we royal in-laws or nothing? Are we? Okay, name. What is it? Okay. Get this way. Okay, I go to the to Pokoro. Obu ibu on Ebuana. Hi, Okana at the where. Only the one Ikajara Kajakan Nagi. Organic Hacha Hane. You are too much. Nothing is happening.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, you're looking good.
God, indeed, God answers prayers. Wow, welcome.
Yeah, thank you so much. Easy. So, where is Mama and everyone?
Mama and I heard so many bad stories about you. How Matthias treats you, drives your car, and wears your clothes. You know? It was crazy. At first, we did not say it as anything. It was when you didn't go back to Ghana, that was when we realized that something is fishy. But Ifeanyi has been calling to check up on you, to know what is wrong with you. It was when your childhood friend, Anayo, came with a prophecy from God that we should pray for you.
And which of the Anaya are you talking about?
Anayo, your childhood friend. He's now a man of God. We even prayed and all that. Mama has even gone to church to round off the prayer. I am very sure she'll be happy to see you.
So where is Ifeanyi? I need to call him.
Hey!
Oh, she's here.
Benjamin Nwamo! Hey! How? This God answers prayer. Jesus, I thank you. I thank you. Hey! Welcome, Mama. Welcome. Welcome, Mom. Hey! Why are you standing out?
Where is Ifeanyi? I haven't spoken to him for a while. Where is it? Let me call him.
Dad, I think my husband needs to hear what's happening in the palace.
My daughter, the cloud of darkness is hovering all around the palace. The gross darkness has covered the palace. The hedges have been broken, and the serpent is ready to bite.
God, I don't know, I'm just confused. So what do we do?
Prayers. Number 1, prayers. Number 2, prayers. The weapon of our warfare is not carnal, but might through Christ our Lord, to the pulling down of every stronghold. Remember, the battle is not against flesh and blood, but against principalities and powers, against wickedness in high places.
actually feel so bad. My husband lost his job. His account has been frozen. And now he's left with nothing.
That will not be all. The same devil plans to throw him out of this house.
God forbid.
She's bent on destroying him. She will stop at nothing until she achieves her wickedness. But we have prayed. We have prayed.
Yeah, I know. God is going to answer our prayers.
Definitely.
Show me. Show me now. Show me who wants to take my life. Show me! Jerry. Obele Jerry. Small Jerry. You want to take my life? I will make you suffer. You will suffer until you will beg to die. But death shall be far from you. Muboledo Kenwaro. Muboledo Jerry. Jerry. You dared me.
Who is making you angry like this? You're looking so furious.
Your useless son tried to assassinate me. He tried to kill me.
Oh, Jerry. No. Jerry is not capable of committing murder.
Shut up! Okay. Shut up, you useless, good for nothing old man.
It's alright, I'm sorry.
Are you implying that I am lying?
I never said so.
You mean to say that I, Oledo, I am telling lies, right?
No, you are not. Mama, shut up.
Leave me. Let me handle this my way.
Okay.
Jerry is going to see the other side of me.
Just calm down, calm down.
You this worker of iniquity, get lost. I bind you in the mighty name of Jesus. I begin to rebuke you. You have no hold in this family. Get lost. Blood of Jesus, you still have the mouth to talk, you witch. I rebuke you in the mighty name of Jesus. Blood of Jesus, I begin to bind you right now in the mighty name of Jesus. Get lost.
I thank you, Jesus. I thank you for life. What am I saying? Oh God, Jesus. Release. It's a bondage, oh God, release him. Oh Lorima Sherima, Korima Lorima Sherima. The devil is a liar. Lord, I say release him. Release him, oh God. I say release him. Release the king, oh God. Release him. The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. The devil. Yes, that's the devil. That's the devil. That's the devil. Yes, that's the devil. The devil. Lord, deal with this devil, oh God. Lord, this is a serpent. Oh Lord, deal with her. Deal with her. Lord, deal with her. Jesus, I said, deal with her, oh God. Deal with her. Jesus, deal with her. Deal with her. Deal with her, God. Control. Yes, Jesus. Your Majesty, we must uproot every single charm she buried on this soil. We must do that immediately. The king, only if you will permit us to do this. Because the Bible says that if you come to a strong man's house, you must take permission.
That's my brother. Yeah. What's up, bro? My nigga. That's my brother. What's up? Yeah, that's my brother. Yeah, welcome home, bro. Yes, mama. Welcome home. Mama. This is our home and we are not going anywhere. This is where we belong. Yes.
Mama, we have come to stay.
Of course.
This is our home.
Of course, yes.
This is where we grew up from. This is the only home we've known all our life.
Yes.
And you are here to stay, Mama.
Oh, you're welcome, my sister. You're welcome.
You're welcome, brother.
I'm proud to have you as my own children. My brother. Yes.
You know, all about family. Family is where the mind is.
Yes, Mama. Of course, yes.
But here comes the time. This Bible tells me that
Mama,
that's
going to the Bible.
I
had that Bible ever.
Well, I said, I'm happy you're back.
Yes. It's okay.
Wow, it's okay. Like,
I can't see you. You can't see you. Keep any.
Tell me what is your lies. There is anger in your eyes. There is bitterness in your heart. There is anger in your eyes. I can see bitterness in your heart. Only the because anger in your eyes. Every nakira because bitterness in your heart. I can see unforgiving spirit anger in your eyes. I can see bitterness in your heart. I can see anger in your eyes. I can see bitterness in your heart. I can sense revenge anger in your eyes. I can see war bitterness in your heart. Here comes our priestess. She is filled with power. She can see the spirit. She can see the sea. Enough for me, enough for one and Susan. She is the eyes of the gods. Money, what you do?